Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to shift tabs right on Google Chrome. So let's go ahead to your Google Chrome and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I have 3 tabs opened up here, and in order to shift the tabs right, for instance, if I want to shift the main tab right, I'll just click and hold down on the tab that I want to shift and drag it to the right. And once I do that, it would have shifted to the right. I can also do that to a tab that's not the main tab. For instance, right now, my main tab is the one all the way to the right. If I want to shift another tab, I just click it and drag it, and it'll get shifted to the right. It'll also become the main tab after you're done. If you want to switch over to another tab onto your right, just hold down Control and press Tab, and it will shift to the tab on the right. If you want to shift to the left tab, you hold down Control, Shift, and Tab, and it'll bring you back to the previous tab on the left. I'm Omar, and I just showed you how to work with tabs on Google Chrome. Have a good day.